Oh my god, Team Hatzi, you won't believe who I saw. Team Hatzi! It was day 35 and I wanted to change the Hatzi design. Because when I showed you all, be your best on the arms, you guys did not like it. You said the font was not good. So I tried changing it. I gave you 5 different designs that I'm going to show you right now. The results for those 5 designs were not good. You guys did not like them at all. And I did not know what to do. This is the biggest thing that has ever happened to Team Hatzi. One of the biggest football players on the earth is here to say a few words. Hello Team Hatzi, it's Cristiano Ronaldo here. And I love Team Hatzi almost as much as I love CR7. Remember to join the Hatzi movement so you can be your best just like me, Cristiano Ronaldo. Went on the Hatzi Instagram on my phone and I saw the comments. The comments were saying, we'll wear it because we have to, because we want to support you. Don't really like it. And I was like, well, I don't want to do this. This is bad. You guys don't like it. So I went out and I looked for some inspiration. And this is what I saw.
This jumper looked amazing and it had no writing on the sleeves.
It was day 37, Team Hatzi, and I decided to get rid of the Be Your Best on the arms. With the hoodie design finished, it was time to find out what colour Team Hatzi wanted on the logos. The results I got were blue, white, yellow, green and blue, pink, red, and white and blue. And now it was time to wait for the replies. Day 38, one of the most historic and best days of the 180-day challenge so far. The results were in for the Hatzi hoodie colour design. And Team Hatzi, what's that? Oh yeah, the results? I've got the results now, Team Hatzi, and I'm going to announce them. Here we go, the Hatzi official envelope. The winner by 1 point, Team Hatzi, was the white Hatzi design. Now I would like to welcome the one and only Mr. Hatzi on stage. Thank you everyone so much. So I would like to say this is one of the most historic days for Team Hatzi so far, and it has just begun. I'm going to try and talk to the Prime Minister and make this day a national holiday for every Team Hatzi member. So come on guys, and remember to be your best. It was day 39. And it was a crazy night last night celebrating the success and official first ever Hatzi hoodie. So today I set out to find suppliers to make the first ever Hatzi hoodie. I sent them all emails asking them about how can I get the screen printed, and then I had a crazy idea, Team Hatzi, of embroidering the front of the Hatzi logo. And you guys absolutely loved it, and that's what we went with. So the Hatzi first ever hoodie front will be embroidered and the back will have screen printing done on it. Day 40, I opened up my phone. The quote was double the amount of the actual price of a single hoodie. And this was crazy, Team Hatzi, and I was not going to pay for this. And I did not know what to do, Team Hatzi. Until I had an idea. What if I went into the suppliers and just had a look at the samples myself without having to pay for them to come to me? Day 41, I had the idea, Team Hatzi, of ringing suppliers and seeing if I can go into their stores. I started off by ringing supplier 1. No one answered, so then I rang supplier 2. No one answered again, Team Hatzi. Then I rang supplier 3. And no one answered. So what did I decide to do, Team Hatzi? I decided to email the suppliers. And this is where I'm up to now in the 180-day challenge. Team Hatzi, the movement is getting bigger. As you can see, here, everywhere, Team Hatzi. So keep an eye out for the logo. And Team Hatzi, remember to follow the daily journey on the Instagram. I'm going to put it down below. And remember, Team Hatzi, to be your best.